Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to pin any folder to the Windows 11 taskbar. By default, Windows 11 allows you to pin apps to the taskbar, but it does not provide a direct option to pin folders. However, with a simple trick, you can create a desktop shortcut and then pin that folder to the taskbar for quick access. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer by pressing Windows E or any other method. Then locate the folder you want to create a desktop shortcut. Select it, right click on it, select Show More Options, hover mouse over Send To, and then click Desktop Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut at the desktop. If you want to rename, right click on it, select rename, and you can remove shortcut word from here. Now select this one shortcut, right click on it, choose properties option. Under folder properties, put this one target path in inverted comma and put cursor extreme left and then type Explorer. After put one space like this, it will be on your PC. After doing these changes, click on the apply and then OK button. Now again select this one folder, right click on it. Here you will find pin to taskbar. Click on this. This will pin that particular folder to the taskbar. In case you want, you can remove this one desktop shortcut. Still, this one created pinned taskbar folder will still work. Just click on it and it will open that particular folder on your Windows 11 PC. That's it. This is how you can pin any folder to the Windows 11 taskbar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the GearUpWindows channel for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.